Okay. Boop-a-doo, boop-a-doo. Let me double check this. Yes, it's last we left off on Tic-Tac-Toe. Find the video. Yes. Boop-a. Yes. Ah, hold on, Russ. Hold on. I'm not ready. I have to share the video. Gotta reshare. I wanna follow. I think I might mute the video in case, because I don't want. Because I like Twitch, because I have it going through where YouTube doesn't, YouTube audio. Sorry, when I browser music audio isn't captured to show in the VODs of Twitch, but it does on the YouTube. I don't get in trouble if if I get copyright. So I'm gonna provide this in it, and then I'll just mute the audio. So I'll can't. Case. I'm gonna go eat. Good luck with coding. I brought you some brackets just in case. Thank you. Those are the wrong type of brackets. We don't use those type of brackets in Godot. But thank you. I appreciate the thought was there. Very thoughtful. Thank you so much. Enjoy your eat. Funny. Okay, I'm gonna. Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna keep the Bastion. No, I can't keep the Bastion audio and have that going. I can't have both. Oh, hello. Good morning. Welcome on in. How you doing? You got here just in time. We're just about to start. Pick back up where we left off last week. I hate YouTube's new UI. I hate it so much. Alright, what did I do last time? I remember I moved the tutorial video over here. The other second screen. What did I do? How did I do it? I think I need to get rid of... Okay, hold on. Bear with me a moment. I can have the setup ideal for me. Stop talking. Okay. So I think it's this. There we go. Cinema mode. Wider. Okay. I was actually thinking the music was SteamWorld Heist at first. The vibe is similar. I've never played the SteamWorld Heist. I think Ark has the game, so could play them. But again, who's got the time? Okay, so all right, so this is what we've got going on so far. Quickly capture. Perfect. So as you can see, we have tic-tac-toe, and we have it that way. Oh, I won. I accidentally won. Oh, so we got this far where we can do that, but we haven't set any win conditions yet. Or like a next player shows on the side. But we have this and it's working. That's where we're currently at, and that's looking good. Dang. So you can tack, but you can't toe. The toe doesn't count for anything. I can still toe, but they won't know that I towed. They won't know that I towed. Ah, sorry, I hit the mic there. The game doesn't care that I towed. That's what it. Okay. So currently in the video, if you want to follow along, because I'm not gonna have the audio come through. I'm gonna be at the section, it's called info panel at 2840. Like that you were actually well, I assume it's because like each Symbol is a ah! I didn't mean to do that. Stop. The tick, an attack, and a toe. Yeah. Why is the video forever buffering? I broke it. Okay. Turn it up. Okay. Yes. Okay, and I'm at it's 20. Yeah, 20. It's fine. I'm gonna play it. I'm not gonna remember that. Okay, so first we're going to is child. Okay, he's making it a child. So we go to main. Bring that up. Main. We're gonna add a child node and we're gonna add a panel. Boop 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 boop. I just realized the way I have it, blocking. Shrink that a bit so I can see if somebody. I know last time with the stream stuff that happened, everything fell apart. It stopping the YouTube. Okay, so we made a child. What? Side panel. Transform. What's in layout? Wait, why is this different than trans? Okay, the other tutorial I was following, I guess because it's a different type of node. Wait, transform's right here. Dingus. I'm talking to myself, but it's fine. We don't need a transform. We're changing its size, so we're changing. Why can we barely see it? Is it because I went with the black and white? Oh, you can kind of see it. Okay, you can kind of see like the color. Okay, we're gonna anchor it on our right side. Parfait. Yeah, we do. We want to change that color. Transform. Nope, he didn't go into transform. So that's another thing with tutorials. I keep jumping ahead thinking I know what they're going to do. Where did he go? Went into styles. Where's that? Theme override. Styles. Style box. We're gonna change the color. We're gonna make it. What would go great with black? A pink? I think so. I think maybe because we have the pink and the green for the X's and the O's. Go with the blue. Have what he's. Ooh, border width. Okay, right here, border width. Okay, left hand, 5 pixels. Ah, nice. We're gonna go into border color. Wait, how do you get to border color? Wait, back up. Under border color. Went black, we're gonna go white. I think it's already white. Whiter. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Okay, we're adding a as a child to the label. I'm hungry. There's some honey. He's like, oh, you should always label. So that way you start change the name of your nodes because you don't want to get confused by what's going on. Dude, you are so right. Always calling it player label. I'm gonna do the same. That way I don't get confused. Player label. Hold on, I looked away. Cop, slow down. Pause. Find. Okay. Transform. See, transform. Hold on. Transformers. Matches the width of the panel we got going. Ah, just move for us. Parfait. On a little. Bam. Get another. He didn't even name it. I'm gonna name it layer. Uh. Uh. Because we have the player label, and it's like I don't know. I guess next player, because like it's supposed to gonna be showing who's or yeah, then who the next player is gonna be. Oh, one word. One word. Good form to keep it all one word. No space. Never remember under layout. Under layout. Two. Team overrun. Styles. Since he's going white, we're gonna go black. Oh, hold on. He's doing corner stuff. He's doing border stuff. Border polys? Oh, it's already. Oh, wait. No, that's already at 8. He's doing a 5 with 5, 5, 5, 5. Order, which I'm sure he's gonna go to next, and we're gonna go all the way. What? Yeah. You know, I'm thinking maybe I should go for a darker blue because it's his like night mode compared to his day mode. I don't want to be too. I don't want it to be. I'm questioning everything. You know what? We're doing girly games. Parfait. Okay, back to this. Oh, now you're rounding the corners. Oh, there's a corner radius section. Nice. Love it. I like rounded corners. Love it. Doing shadows. Oh, that looks so cool. I love like the subtle things like that with just adding the shadow is just look at that. Look at this. It looks so good. Like it's there. It's such a subtle thing. It brings me joy. Brings me joy. I feel hold on. I feel like it's been a week since I last looked at this and I'm afraid I forget everything I learned. Hold on. I know he's not even looking at the script yet. I'm looking at the script because I don't fucking freaking remember. Okay, the only all right, scripts are here. The only script I have is main. Okay. So we have players and integer. Right, it swaps between -1 and +1, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Grid data is an array, which he explained. Yes, and it's a double array. I might need a refresh phrase. Should make note of that. I'm gonna write that to like refresh on how arrays work. Or I could just yeah. Hold on. Active in my learning. Remember, so like an array is a series of numbers, and we have a double array happening with our grid data because we wanted to make it a so 0, 1, and 2 are the 3 different spots going left to right. I mean, yeah, left to right technically, and we want it because we have it going from we pick which grouping you want going from top to bottom, and then and that's why we have it in a square. If you're looking at it there, we have it in a square to make it look like the tic-tac-toe. It would be long ways if you did this. It's fine. It all works out the same. So the first thing it picks is the grouping of 3, which would be top row, middle, or bottom. And then within that array from left to right. And that's calculated by depending on where we press. Here we go. We calculated all of that. We did like division and vector stuff and figuring all that out where we clicked. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right, I got my pencil. My papers. Refresh. That is horrendous writing. Oh my god. The S, it overlaps with the H. Putting refresh. Arrays. Maybe even just like later on, I'll rewatch through the beginning of this, just of the beginning half of the video, just to get a refresh on what we. Is this okay without having the audio going? I to have the audio going, or like just a lot of dead air. Mm. Someone's watching on having on. I feel like it's just so much dead air for y'all. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna end the stream. Sorry, YouTube. Stop. Then I'm gonna open it back up. Then y'all will be able to hear the video while I do this. That way it's not just dead air and I'm not talking. It makes me feel a little bit better. I'm just like, I don't want to leave y'all with just dead air. I am warm. Well, I'm gonna make sure that it's supposed to be the first day of fall. Do y'all remember the 21st night of September? I'm just gonna quickly check, make sure the air is on. A mad lad had the air conditioner on. Fan mode! Madman! Okay, let's play. Bless you. Oh, okay, did you finish? Wait, did you? Ah, okay, he did so much there. Okay, so he created the temp marker variable, but he didn't define it as it. Did you define it? He didn't. He didn't. So he didn't define what kind of variable it was. He just put variable. Okay, and but the hey, the programming's not getting mad at me. Okay, but then he added a different thingy to the function. He's adding the a variable to the function. If the variable is passed, I can assign that temp. Okay, I understand what he's doing. Why wouldn't why wouldn't you, instead of having it for next player, why wouldn't you do it for current player? Because I'm pretty sure right now he's about to have it show the opposite of what player. So like the player's one, player one is circles, and have the temp variable showing. Because yeah, it says next player. I think that's how he's doing it. Why wouldn't you do it for current player? And I don't know. I'm following the tutorial. Oh no, he's doing it the same. Oh, okay. So he's doing. Oh, interesting. Okay, hold on. Temp circle. Okay, so we kept it circle and circle. So I guess next player, it's like, oh, the person that. But I might change it to current player because it makes more sense to be current player. But we'll figure that out in a second. 1 second. Why are you freaking? Yeah, temp marker is not declared in current scope. Scope, my guy. You never. Oh, he's not getting an error. No, he's getting an error. It's just not showing highlighted red for him. I'm having a hard time hearing him. Okay, I don't understand why. I have to back this in. I'm lost in the sauce. Why is he doing this? We did this. Hmm. Okay. We're okay, so we're figuring out how to position this temp marker. Where or figuring out where to position the temp marker. Hi, mom. Welcome on in. How you doing? I don't know. I don't know, but it's not giving an error. No, it's okay. Well, no, it is giving me an error, but he's also getting an error. I don't know where it is in the where his error is because I can't tell. I'm hoping this is all gonna work out. Oh wait, but yeah, this right here. Yeah, I feel like it needs to be declared with a type. I don't know what. Didn't tell me what to declare it as. I don't know. But I'm gonna just trust in the process for now. There's been many times while doing this where I'm like, why didn't you do this? And then like 2 seconds later he does it. So I'm just gonna hold faith that he'll fix it, but we'll see in a moment. We're done the section. If it still doesn't work, then I gotta figure out how to make it work. Because this is a video from 2 years ago, so it's not the exact Godot version. So we'll find out. Also, if y'all want to follow along as well, the video is of the chat. I'm at 3511 info panel 5. Ready phone. Okay, so get coordinates of the small panel on the right side. Okay, okay. That's what we're doing right now. Oh, he just called it player. Oh, okay. I guess player panel. I'll rename it to. Oh. Oh. Okay. Stop. You're going too fast. Okay. Get position. The variables do not have to have. I don't know what that dynamically means. Dynamically typed language. I don't know what that means. This is my second week of learning Godot, so I am still learning a bunch of things. Last week we learned that vector two, it's a vector two man, even though we learned what vector two meant. I'm like, oh, duh. So I'm not sure exactly what dynamically typed language means, but that's good that I don't need to have it declared. Like I know, because like in the other tutorial that I followed, every variable at least was declared as a type, and then but then its values could be declared later on, but not having it at all is definitely just weird. But I guess well, the should hopefully work out. Oh crap, where am I working? Okay, so we're getting the position of the panel, so that way we know where to put them. Oh, la, la, la. Vector. Going so fast. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay. This is why I did bad. This is why I struggled in school, because I would try to follow along, and but then they would get so much faster than where I was. It's like, okay, give me a second to catch up. But hey, the wonderfulness of YouTube, where I can just pause them. Sorry, teach. I need you to pause for a second. So I followed along with what you did. I did not take in what you were like having. Okay, maybe that's what I need to do. I need to maybe I need to let him explain what he's doing and then do it. That's maybe what I need to do. Dynamically typed programming language. Declare variables without a type. Okay, and a variable type will be assigned upon type value. Oh, okay. So if I assign it a number, then it automatically gets assigned as a. Okay, cool. Yes, yes. So that way it's. Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay. That and then we drew. Save it. This is not gonna work. It worked. No, it didn't. It crashed. My guy, I didn't. How did it work for you? What did I miss? Okay. Time to troubleshoot. Because like I assigned it a certain. What did I miss? Like a. What did what did? On. I feel like I missed something. If temp colon where do I have the temp? Hold on. Do I have temp somewhere? Whoa, hold on. Why do I have what is this? Why do I have I think that's a mistake. I think my mistake was right there. Hold on. I don't think I'm supposed to have that underscore there. Oh, I think I found it. Hold on. Yep, no, that's not supposed to be there. Hey, I fixed it. I fixed it. I fixed it. I got rid of the error. Yay. Oh, it crashed again. Non-existent function. Get position in base panel. Ah, okay. What did I do wrong? Why I need to watch him. Okay. So, made the variable. Player, panel, pause. Vector to I. Dimensional. Okay. Are you mad? Non-existent function. Get. Obviously not. Get. Right there. What do you mean non-existent? Oh, get screen position. That's not what I want. Okay, so it is non-existent. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it works. We're fine. It works now. We're good now. Okay, it works for some reason. Y'all can't see it right now. I didn't capture it. I have to re-manually capture the. I relaunch. Like I played the demo, but it's working. Okay. I have a circle. Next player, circle. And it's only showing circle, obviously. I have not assigned it to the X stuff. Okay, but we troubleshooted. Hey, it's part of learning. It's learning the patience to troubleshoot. And I think that's where I learn more is if I'm like, okay, I messed up. How did I mess up? Because yeah, I feel like I'm now falling into the I'm just mindlessly following along to get it done instead of trying to sit and comprehend what I'm writing. It's always been a struggle for me. ADHD, baby. But we're gonna keep going. We're here to do it. Okay. I fixed it. Catch him up to where. Catch up to me. You're too far behind. Too far behind. We're at the same. I guess it's called next player because the next click is going to be a circle. Okay, okay. I kind of get why he does that. Okay. I think it should be current player. It's like, oh, you are currently playing. Yeah, I'm gonna change it to current player. I like that better. I'm gonna change the name in the label. I like it better. Current player makes more sense. How does it look? It's off the board. I can remember. I can remember. Text size. Text size. Text size. Font size. Bonsai. Bam. Perfect. I like current. Makes more sense. I don't know about you. changing things. Okay, I don't understand the true thing. Oh, because it's fall. Oh, because we signed something as fall. Yeah, because we create marker, the temp false. If temp marker, if temp marker, that's a variable we assign there. Create marker. Oh, okay. This create a marker to show starting player's turn. I don't understand. Back it back up to when. I don't understand. I want to. Okay, I found it. One click and I. Wait, did I? Yes, I did find it. Hold on, where's the funk? Oh, the funk's right there. I was like, where's the funk part of the. Wow, that's long. Like, where's the funk part of the line? Okay. Why did you add the lens me? Oh, okay. Okay, so we assigned the variable temp false. And so by having the create the marker for the you can explain it, that means you understand it, honey. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay. The temp marker, we are assigning it to the true to being true because we want to activate this. If this is not activated, then it's not going to show next the current player's symbol. So that's why we assign it as true. Okay, okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. So in the position of where the player panel position is, we're creating the temp marker. That's what this is. Of the new player. Because this player had their turn, so they clicked on it. Cool, you put their marker there, it changes it to the other player. Now you change the thing to the next player so that way they can do. Okay. Haven't gotten to the part where we change. Oh, I'm a little ahead of him. Catching up to. Oh, I didn't even. Oh, it's gonna change. Didn't do it for me. Hold on. Why didn't it work? Hold on, I missed something. What did you change? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, so now when I press A, okay, it's doing what it's doing for him. It's just overlapping it's overlapping X's and O's as you click. Okay, cool, cool, cool. We're there. We're there now. Okay, we fixed that up. Oof. Oof. Okay. Gotta delete. Ah, I broke it. I broke it. What did I do? It happened so quickly. Okay, I press play. Okay, it got mad at me after the second time I did it. When I clicked a circle, I clicked it, then I went to a click X. Clicked, change current player to square to X. I click again. Okay, yeah. After okay, that I didn't do. And now you didn't break for him. Why did it break for me? Everything is breaky. Try it again. Look at the debug. See what the debugs do. Circle. Attempt to call function Q free in base previously freed on a null stance. Null instance. Did I just miss the part where he added this for X? Like, I'm supposed to do this for X too, right? Like, or is that just... No. Hold on. See if that fixes it. Okay, I fixed everything. Did I just miss the part where he did that? Oh, he did add it. He did add cross. I completely missed that. Completely missed that. Hit Deb Cyrus achy breaky code. Oh my god. Welcome on in. How you doing? Yeah, no, I completely missed him adding in the if cross thing. missed it completely. That's okay. We fixed it, and I can show you guys. In a moment. And press play. Bam. So yeah, so we this. So it's the current player. You're currently playing circle. Bam. Oh, now you're playing cross or X. Cool. Yeah. Awesome. Blocking. Gotta block. Circle 1. But now we're going on to win conditions. Let's go. Ah, the double window. Yay, we did the info panel stuff. Trying to multitask, not going well. I get that. I get that. That's why I like having this dedicated time to just even tutorialing and following. It's like I feels like it's multitasking because I am watching somebody do the thing, but then I'm also trying to do the. It's hard, but I'm getting better. I'm okay. So, all right, and then also trying to, I guess, chat with chat a little bit, a little. Huh? Well, glad you're here. Glad you're having a good time. I hope you're having a good time. We do have the video marked if y'all want to follow along. Like I said, just entering the part of the video where we're doing checking for winner, which is at I'm at 38.50, about 30. Oh, I can't believe I thought I was gonna do so silly of me. Well, I didn't know. Excuse me. All right, here we go. This is your first video guide. It is my second. So, so if y'all of you who are new here, a couple weeks ago, I decided I'm gonna learn how to do game deving because I want to. So my goal, my game plan is to follow like 10 or so tutorial videos and just make tiny games, like just tutorial games. And then step 2 will be me coming up with my own just simple tiny game ideas and then working off of what I learned from stuff like that. So 2 weeks ago, so last week, was the first stream I was doing of learning Godot. But before that, during the week leading up to that stream, I did a snake tutorial. It was by the same creator who coding with Russ. However, it was a 10-minute video, and he did a lot of just copying pasting. And he was explaining what he was doing. He's like, okay, we're gonna do this because of this, this, and this, but he wasn't actually explaining what everything was. And so, sure, I followed along because of the copy and paste, but I didn't really take in any information. But hey, I still made Snake. I made Snake. I was happy with myself. And so this is my second tutorial following his. I think it's older than the snake tutorial, but in this one it's an hour long and he's actually describing everything, so I'm intaking everything well. And then between last week and this week, I started a Pong tutorial from a different YouTube. So I'm technically, this is my second tutorial. After X move, after X tutorials move into official documentation, you mean like the Godot manual of all their defined stuff? Because if so, I can't do that because my brain will glaze over. My eyes will glaze over and my brain will melt and I will not understand it. I learn best by doing. I thought I followed a tutorial, but my character keeps flying instead. Oh no! I think I will try another way to learn next, watching videos that explain and note document. Yeah. No, not the 8. What do you mean by a go to but the official guide? Oh, you mean of Godot? Like Godot has like their own official guide video? Is that what you mean? Maybe. I don't know. I'll figure it out when I get there. Because I've got ADHD and autism, so I am relearning how I best learn. Because, like, in school, obviously, I brute force learning the way people wanted me to learn. And so I know by doing hands on and doing things that actually interest me and finding a medium between that and things that I need to learn is what I'm trying to do right now. So we'll see. But definitely right now, focus is to do tutorial tiny game. That is the current goal. I'm trying not to think too far ahead. I'm already like being like all the things I want to do. But for now, just contained tutorial tiny games. That's what we're doing. I have a whole list and playlist of different tiny tutorial games. That's what we're doing, and I'm trying to stay focused on that. But keywords, that's like, key thing is trying. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm here to do and have fun along the way. Uh-oh. An asterisk. Try to send a link because I only is it just like on YouTube like a Doe official channel? A Doe engine. Ah. Ah. Time. Yeah, if you send a link, I can't read it. So if you could just, I have it where nobody can share it, security reasons. But if you want to just type out what it was that you sent, type of channel or video, then yeah, I could definitely check it out. Okay. Oh, my water. I drink, have different drinks at a time. I'm gonna go get water and I'm gonna refill back in 2 minutes. Just Google Godot getting Godot docs? Or there's Godot for. Cool. Check it out. All right. I've refreshed my drinks. Bias is apple. And we're ready to go. By running around with a pineapple. And of an actual pineapple. There we go. Now we are checking for the winner. Oh. He just. Oh, okay. He just added a whole bunch of areas at the beginning. Okay. Hold on. Stop going now. We can go. I want to watch. I want to see it before you scroll, dude. Okay. I'm doing this to myself. I'm just doing this to myself, honestly, right now. This. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so he added 4 4 new variables. Again, summing. I guess he's gonna do it. Maybe I'm doing the guessing already of like what we're gonna be summing, but I assume it's gonna be like, oh, you're checking for either +3 or -3, because then it means, oh, you win. That's an int var all sum int diagonal diagonal 1 sum our diagonal. Okay, so we've got 4. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome on in. And reminder, if y'all want to follow along, the pin is, well, the video should be pinned top of the chat. And we are currently in the section of checking for 39. New function. Just entered the chat. Oh. He's doing it. He's doing it. He's doing what I educatedly guessed. Ha 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 ha. Nice. Hold on. Hold on. I think he typed row wrong. It's supposed to be row. He put Ross. He put Ross. He wrote it wrong. Even though it's in text, it doesn't actually matter for the actual code. Column. Parfait. He's doing a for loop. I don't think I've done a for loop yet. Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate it. Glad y'all are vibing with the coding. I think of this as like body doubling. It's like I want to learn, and one of the best ways other people around me or watching me Like, yes, they're making sure that I'm doing it. I'm doing it in front of people, so I have to make sure that I'm actually accomplishing and completing things. Got accountability buddies. Or I in Len. What does Len mean? What does Len mean? Grid data. Okay. So if I'm so I is going to be the integers that we're in the insert not integer but yeah, no, the integers in the array. So I is going to be checking A. Maybe I should actually just like what does it mean? Go Len. Turns the number of elements in the object stick. My voice is relaxing. I don't hear that often. But hey, find it awesome. Most relatable game deving. Also very beginner. Nice. Yeah. This is a different because like I was tired of gaming because and I'm not too worried about growing all that. If I grow, I grow. But I'm just like, you know what? I'm here for fun. I'm here for vibes. If we grow the channel and things come of it, cool, great, awesome. But it's not a priority. And I'm like, you know what? And I don't care to game all that much anymore in like a people watch me capacity because trying to stream Hollow Knight was just the straw that broke the camel's back. Too many backseaters. Horrible. I'm like, you know what? I just want to game, and I enjoy the feeling of just game. Like, I don't want to game anymore, but what can I do? And it's like I want to learn game dev, and I like creating things. So let's do something. Glad y'all are vibing with. That makes me happy. Okay, so maybe if I listen to him, did he I don't even know if the guy even if he okay, he didn't explain it, but that's fine. So we're for I in len vid data. Yeah, len is a method that returns. Yeah, good old Google provided that. I yeah, I need to just get into the habit of like, you know what? I don't know what that means. I should stop and then look at what it means. How much start and stop? Go, 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 go. But sometimes you gotta start and stop. Check things out. So I actually understand what it means. What are you wanting from me? You want a colon? There you go. Have a colon. Have a colon. Hmm. Okay, hold on. Okay, I think I get it. I think I'm getting it. I think I'm getting it. Okay. Let him just back up a minute. Let him just back up a minute. Okay. So so I so so looking at this line here. So he said it's gonna go through this, this, this. So I is gonna go through each individual grouping of numbers. Is that what I'm getting? Because since we have data as like a double array, like it's nested, I just means it's not going to go to just one specific thing. It's going to go through each grouping. So I is like, okay, I'm going to go here, grab the first number, here, grab the first number, here, grab the first number. Is that what I'm understanding? Sick. For loop, I've done. I is how many are. Okay, and for loop then goes. Okay. Okay, so it's working in conjunction with the for loop. Okay. 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 0 is going to be the first. Oh, right. Yeah. Because it goes 0, 1, 2. Right. Okay, perfect. So we have row sum equals grid data I and then 0 because that's the first, and then plus 1 plus 2. So it's going to go through. Yes, it's going to go through all three of the first. So the first I for the for loop, the I is going to go here, and that's going to check all three of these. And then it's going to check all three of these, and then it's going to check all three of these. Sick. Okay. Yes, you're iterating. Is that what I means? It's over the big container element, small container. Yes. Just helps you know when to break the loop. Oh! Oh, because 4 keeps going until it stops. If it's not given a thing to stop, it just keeps going forever. So, because if it runs out of things to go through, then the 4 loop stops. Oh! I is just a variable. Okay. Okay. Why are you red? Assignment is not allowed inside an expression. I can oh, it's because you did the curly pop. Curly pop. Oh, what did I do? Oh, did I? Oh, I copied too much. Oh, I copied too much. Copied too much. Fine. I fix. No problem. I'm fine. I fix. Hey, I fix. I is Sam or okay. I figured I had something to do with it. Okay, so we did that. I understand it now. Okay, and now he's doing the. Did I call? Yes, I did it. So now we're just doing the same thing, but we're gonna columns. I look at this. All right, so this is telling me to go to the first grouping and then check I. Check all. Okay. Okay, comes to columns, I'm having go to go to the first one, check all of them. Then you go to the second one, right? Also change this. What's wrong with you? Ruin everything. I don't know why it's breaking my brain for columns. So we're doing, so it makes me go here and then it makes me check I. But so in the case of column, it's checking the different, how do I know? But how does it work? How does it work the opposite way? Because it's just gonna check all of, oh, 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 hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. So for this, it's like, okay, we're gonna check the first, so integer is, so in this example, so like, okay, it's gonna be like, all right, you're gonna check the first of every column, and then it's like, okay, cool. Now check the second of every column. Oh, because integer is changing every time it goes through the loop. I understand. Okay, okay, okay. Because I was thinking, is it just gonna check all of it in the row? But it's no, it's checking that one specific time it does the loop. Okay, okay. So checking one number every time it loops. Okay. Okay. Now diagonal one is gonna break my. How did he write out diagonal so small? One, 2. Give me a second. Yes, we are checking. We're doing the win condition. Oh, okay. So for since we're doing diagonally, we're doing like the specific. Because there's only two. Okay, okay, okay. That's not so bad. That's not so bad. Not so bad. It's not so bad. All right, and then for the opposite way, it's gonna be. I guess it doesn't matter what order. Two, 1, 0. Hey! Okay, so cool, 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 cool. We're checking now. Okay, so if go sum or call sum. I know he just copied and pasted. I'm doing it manually, so I get into habit or diet or colon. Unexpected. Wait, am I supposed to be in the check? Oh, it's supposed to be in the check function. Oop, I went too far. Get in there. Get in that funk, baby. Get in that funk. Got the funk. Oh, yeah, negatives. Okay, okay. Watch him do it, then do it yourself. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So then, wait, do we have a variable for winner? Oh, no, he doesn't, because it's not declared. Yeah, he's got red errors happening, but it's fine. One, then we can do elif. Elif! God, what happened? No, no, no. Hold on. Negatives? Oh, add a space. It looked nice. Uniform! You've made a mistake! Ah, we have to indent everything. Everything! Gotta do it inside the four. That makes sense though, you have to check it. Oh. Hold on, hold on. Okay. Hold on. Okay, winner. Okay, we've made the variable of winner. Winner is now 0. Find it. My indents are so spaced out. I'm not complaining. Grandma. Am I complaining? Check the okay, girl. You need to pay attention to what he's doing. Back it up a bit. Okay, pay attention. Okay, back up so I can add this so we can be to okay. So we're putting if check win does not equal 0 colon print because we don't have a game over thing print game over. I tested with all watching. Let me get the overlay up. Let me get it. Get the preview. in the bottom corner. We see down here, we're going to check for the game over to print. Oh, I have it. I moved my window on my desktop, but it's still covered for y'all. Hold on. There we go. So we're looking for a game over there. I motioned it on my thing right here. You can see where the do it. Game over. I can still keep going though. Okay, so it worked there. Let's refresh it. Not showing. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, it works full columns. Let me. And it works for diagonal. Stick. Okay. So it showed game over. Wait, I did it all. Was that no? I did one win where X is like. Okay, and it works for X's. Sick. How much do I have left of this? I gotta do a game over menu. Okay, yeah, no, we're taking a break. Break time. Everybody get up, stretch, grab a snack, grab a drink, take your meds if you got them. I will be back in about 10 minutes. And thank you everybody who's followed and hung out and lurked. Y'all are great, and I'm glad y'all are having a good time. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Kirby. Yo, forgot to check. It was 10 minutes or not. But I'm here. Have tea. I have a Sammy. I bought like this package of like a trio of Italian meats for a sandwich, and I was like, I don't want to get all fancy with it. I'm just gonna toast an English muffin, butter it, and throw it on there. It's okay. It's sustenance. I hate having to decide what to eat. I hate having to constantly figure out what I'm gonna eat. I hate that I need to eat. Can I just like lay in the sun? Photosynthesize? Like, can I do that, please? Like, there are times when I love food. A lot of time I'm just like, I don't care. Okay. We are currently. We have a game over condition. So we can tell when we have a winner. We have the winner condition set up. Now we gotta figure out to make the game stop. And have a game over. Okay, cool. So we're checking if the win, and then we stop the play. Awesome. Can't do anything else. Bam. Love it. I ain't gonna. When I can do. I don't want to chance something bad happening. Ooh, canvas layer. Canvas layer. Thank you. Oh, yes. Scenes. We want it to be saved in scenes. In a different tutorial I was following, he created an extra folder for scripts to be separate. I was like, dude, have your assets, your screen, your scenes, and your scripts all separated. Love it. This one I don't have it for. It's all I don't know where the scripts are, but there's somewhere saved. Wow. Sorry, I'm very rudely eating. Layout, transform. And 175. What kind of color do we want to go for? Want to go for the same color as these decimal. Over men. Oh, I didn't even save it. Save. No, I did save it. I don't know. Nice. Little border. Added a border color. I don't. Going for a yellow. Why don't I go for a yellow too? Why not? I also think it's better when it's. You didn't add no shadow? I feel like I want to add a shadow. I'm adding a shadow. Got me. Oh, it's a kind of a big shadow. I'll just drop that down to 5. It just looks so cool. And it's like, hey, it looks like it's layered on top and it's, it pops up. It's like, hey, adding a label. Label. Whoa, hold on. We'll update that. Yes. could play around with it. I don't care. I'm just following along. I'm near the end of this, buddy. I'm here mostly for the text. I mean, the script learning stuff. I'm just like, oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, he went with 40. I thought I heard 40. A button. Who has the button? Who has the key? Oh, okay, hold on. Not changing the color of the button. That box? Why is it not working? Oh, wait. Flat box. There we go. I think this is the right one now. A. I'm not good with color match. Like a watermelony. Watermelony. So far, so good. I'm like in like focus mode because I'm like, I want this to be done now. I've been doing this for so long. I'm ready to be done. Ugh. Hold on, I'm checking my chat for a second. I heard him. Okay. I'm gonna add a border. White. Liquid white. Button. Around the edges. Let me round the corners. Yes. Do I also want to add a shadow? You bet your ass I want to add a shadow. Oh, it's already got a shadow. Does it? Oh, that was the wrong one. Hold on, I got rid of it. That's the wrong shadow. This needs a shadow. Yes. Make it a tiny shadow. A little bit. Hey! Yay! Yes. Shadows are great. Okay, so this is done. You're beautiful. You're queen. You watermelon. Okay, let's go. Now we're gonna be adding this to the main screen. Let me take a bite of my salmon. That's also probably why I'm tired, is because I didn't properly eat. Make sure you eat. Ah! I broke it. What happened? Oh! You're supposed to be a child of the main, honey. A child of the main. There we go. I was like, what the heck? Why didn't it print game over? Did I delete it? I probably deleted it. Find. Oh, oh, is that what I wanted? I want to find in here. Game. Nope. Okay, cool. I deleted it. That's why I was like, I get scared for a second. Hold on, I should have tested again. Okay, everything is still working. Okay. I like having the printing, actually. At first, I was like, this is tedious. Why do I need to do it? It's nice to have it printing out what it's doing. That way I know if anything goes wrong. So now, ah la 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 la. Back up the video, please. Okay. Now we have it in the if statement. Grabbing the game menu dot show when the game is over. Didn't work. Oh, I have to have the brackets. Ah, the brackets. Hope I didn't mean to do that. Hey, y'all did not see that because I didn't know it. Okay, I'll show you once I have the player thing fixed. Okay, so we're now adding a script to the game over menu. That way, when we press the play again button, it actually does something. Okay, we don't need any of these. Bye. Ah. We're creating a signal for the button. Oh, I didn't. I've noticed that symbol, but never realized what that symbol meant. That it's. You need to emit a signal. Okay, so it's a. Hmm. Okay, so we're having it send a signal when the thing is pressed, so that way the main. Oh, keep forgetting that the scripts are here. You don't always have to click this. This is only for if you're dealing with outside stuff. But scripting, you just clicked here. Ugh. That hold on. Back it up. Uh-oh, did I do something wrong? Oh, I don't think I saved it. Saved? Hold on. There we go. It's there. Okay, we're fine. Well, why did you do that? Calm yourself down. Oh, connecting this. Oh, he's explaining why he functions. Ready function only runs when it launches, and the new game function does. You don't have to do everything to reset the entire game because it's already there. Okay. And the bracket, new game function. Where you at? Where you at? There you are. Oh, game over. Vector process. Okay. Okay. Take a moment. Or take a What have we just learned? Let me take it all in. We have created the game over menu. We have its own little script here, and then I did it again. It sets out a signal whenever the play again button is pressed. This main script now receives that signal. But the thing is, because we have it coded, so when the game is ended, everything pauses, the menu button didn't work. So now we have it working. So when the game is paused, it still works. Sick. Is that all we've done? Feels like we've did so much more. Do it. How much longer do I have? 5 minutes left. 5.5 minutes left in this video. You could do it. You could do it. You're so close. Take me energy. Okay, so we're setting all of the sums back 0 because we're now having to, for the new game function, we're resetting everything because if we just restart the game, everything will be as is, stack on each other. So we need to clear everything. So we have row, sum, 0, column sum, row, diagonal, 1 sum equals 0, diagonal. That's cool. 2 sum equals. Okay. What did I do? Call sum. Call sum. Yeah, we need to clear the markers next. How does he have it so when he clicks on the thing, it takes him to where it needs? I need to figure that out because that is, I need. I did. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Crosses. Save. Oh God. Save. Circles. Circles. Save. Hmm? Okay, so we made a group, made groups, multiple groups, and so it's gonna bunch all of the same icons into that group. And now we call upon these to queue free, which means hear them all. Okay, test it out. We'll bring up the game. Hold on. I get it. All right, here we go. Try this out now. X's and O's want me. Oh! It's working! Okay, I'm gonna do it. Oh, circle. How could you? You lost it so bad. Oh, it works. It works. Oh, it works. Okay, okay, tutorial. A tie? We have to do a tie condition? Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done. Hold on, I haven't found my input. I haven't found my input funk. Okay, input funk is right here. Okay. Oh yeah, we haven't changed the code, the text either for like whoever wins. We haven't done that yet. Why hasn't that been done? Okay, this is fine. We're doing the get tree. Do this. I'm almost done. Pause. Close tree. Grab the game over menu, baby. Show it. Show it. Hold on. Why are you in the same? Oh, you have to be indented. I didn't put a colon. Colon. You gotta put the colon. Oh, grabbing a node. Okay, calm down. How much is happening? Grab that. Now we have Elif. Ah, 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 ah. There equals -1. I would say 2 wins. Haya. I will say the tutorial is better than the snake tutorial, but it's okay. It's okay. I am picking up a lot of thingies. Okay, so we're gonna test out first player winning circles. Now we're gonna test out X winning. Player 2 wins, and now we're gonna do I. Oh shoot, that was an accident. Try it again. This is hard trying not to win. It's a tie! It works! It works! I made it all the way through. Yay. Did it. Oh my god. But now, we need to have a live demonstration with a third party. 1 second. Not 1 second. Let me bring up. I made a Godot game. It's my second Godot game. Yeah. Okay, oh my gosh, why didn't y'all tell me this was like this whole time? I'm so sorry that there was a duplicate. It was a duplicate. Okay, I'm getting the game up. Hey, babe. You're not showing. Hey, babe. Tic-Tac-Toe. Okay. Hey, that was... Okay, do you want to be first or second? I'll go. Lost. Already lost. Player 1 wins. I win. Now explain every line of code? I can explain some. I learned thingies. My brain hurts though. It hurts so. Yes! Actually, I'll show it to you. Bam. Now this is the hard part. Trying on purpose. Circle again. I'm on MX. Yeah, it said next in the tutorial. He has it being like next player, but I guess it's like next click. But I'm like, current player makes more sense. X here, circle here. The tie. I made my second Godot game. Get it. Love you. Bye. Chat. Yes. I like the color palette that I chose. I chose well. Ah, crap. Here we go. Get rid of the doubling. Sorry, chat, for that. Okay, let's explain some of the code here. This is all my variables. Well, a lot of variables. This is an exported variable from a different scene. We exported it from our, these thingies. X and the O's. Because we didn't want to do it the way we did with board. Board we just brought it in through this way. We wanted to bring it in through code. The ready function is we are calling on information from, so this is, we're defining board size. We're calling on the board node. And we are getting its information because we need to know its size. And so that's how we build cell size, which is the board divided by 3. That's the individual square. Player panel position. Player panel. What? Get coordinates of small panel on the right side of the window. Oh, yes, yes, yes. The whole right side where it showed the current player, we needed to grab that information. But how did I? Oh, because I created that node. I made the node. I made that a node and I called on that node's information. So that way we know that. So if we click on it, nothing happens because that's not a clickable area. I remember that. My brain hurts now. It hurts so much. Yay! Did it. It's my second game. I'm a game dev. Did it. Game. Excuse me. I make game. Good. Good stuff. Let me pull up my I don't know. But yeah, we did it.